Monterado, kumenga mamosi, kikundi kajenwa, yonge tenda, denta vokupele sije mwendo. Mokele yendenda kompadre, Bintu kakanda koma fukila, oke wa uko tumukini uzowa, bagangana ndenda kemanta jijiko.
Mayala lele, tuzola ziana, compadre, tuzola ziana.
Isakilange kanda venye kwa ndenda Monterado, kewada kile kumbadi tuzola ziana Kintu kama kanda, kete kasikila makuku matatu Kutusale, kenda wele kwa niyaya Wapopila bandonge yaya Kwani kakambula Wapopila bandonge yaya Kwani kakambula Tuzola ziana Ego mawila anga matamu Kiendi Kamwendo kwe Keba ukuselo Eya Keba na yoe Keba ukukashe Badi kiendi Kamwendo kwe Keba ukulana mama Keba na yoe Keba ukukashe Mangwana yaya Konzo kanye Makela mukaba Misikimbu kwa tunga Namba soso Kama tamu Mangwana yaya Uilu makukola Mwenda kimene Mwana kimbu kwa tunga Swandika sanza Unimekaji Una milunga Mungu songo Mwila bebe Misikimbu kwa tunga Una mbeu Yekuna kipokolo Emalo mapunga Una mbeu Yekuna makela Kiendi Kamwendo kwe Eya Keba na yoe Keba ukutashi Badi kiendi Kamwendo kwe Keba ukulana mama Keba na yoe Keba ukutashi Mangwana yaya Konzo kanye Makela mukaba Misikimbu kwa tunga Namba soso Kama tamu Mangwana yaya Uilu makukola Mwenda kimene Mwana kimbu kwa tunga Swandika sanza Unimekaji Una kangola Mangwana yaya Una mbeu Yekuna kipokolo Emalo makunga Una mbeu Yekuna makela Kiendi Kamwendo kwe Keba ukusana Eya Keba na yoe Keba ukutashe Mabwigi Enakina lukwezo Lukebi Enjo mangwa Dekononga lindo Mikolai Masaki Yekuba sinde Mana lukusoke la kake mamu Luvunu lwenu Wajati sinda kitoloka Keba na yoe Keba ukutashi Badi kiendi Kamwendo kwe Keba ukulana Eya Keba na yoe Keba ukutashi Mangwana yaya Konzo kanye Makela mukaba Misikimbu kwa tunga Namba soso Kama tamu Mangwana yaya Uilu makukola Mwenda kimene Una kitesi yaya Swandika sanza Unimekaji Mangwana yaya Mungu songo Mwila bebe Emalo makunga Una mbeu Yekuna kipokolo Emalo makunga Una mbeu Yekuna makela Kiendi Kamwendo kwe Keba ukusela Eya Keba na yoe Keba ukutashi Badi kiendi Yambote.
Yambote.
Cambodia.
Yambote.
Hey. If you're watching, we are Kikongo class, of course. We are learning Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom. Kikongo is spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Thank you very much for your time. Ningo Tadiwa, Tata Mabiala, Tata Allen. Thank you very much. Inform for Gipinga Pinga. Let me just see. I think something missing here. Give 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Number. Number 1 to 10. Tata Mabiala, can you try? Don't worry.
Um,
Nengo Teddy was going to help you. Do your best.
Pavala.
Yes. Mosi.
Pavla, Mosi, Zole, Tatu,
Yeah. Yeah.
Tan.
Yeah.
Iya,
Oh. Tanu. Tanu.
Tanu,
Sambanu.
Sambanu, Sambwadia,
Nana.
Nana, and Kumi.
Voix. Then
Voix 9. Voix.
Pouvoir and Kumi.
Yeah. Okay. Tata, please. Thank you, Tata.
Yeah. Pavala Mosi Zole Tatuya Tanu Sambanu Tambuadia Nana Voa Kumi.
Oh, well done. Nengo Teddy.
Pavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambanu, Sambwadia, Nana, Voix, Kumi.
Bravo. Now tens. Just tens. 10, 20. Nengo Teddy, please. Tens.
Oh, wait, no, okay.
Kumi.
Makumole.
Kumi.
Kumi. Makumole. Makumatatu. Makumaya. Makumatanu. Makumasambanu. Makumasambwadia. Lunana.
We changed the game. We changed the game from somebody. 70.
Lunana.
The game.
Okay. Kumi, makumole, makumatatu, makumaya, makumasambanu, Lusambwadia,
Lusambwadia, yes.
Lunana, Luvwa, and Kama.
Well done. Kama, yes. That you right?
Yes.
Kumi, makumole, makumatatu, makumaya, makumatanu, makumasambanu. Then over to you.
Lun Sambradia.
Well done. I was trying to catch you. You got it. From 70 prefixes LU. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did send the file. You don't need to memorize. When we go to hundreds, very easy. Can you try that? Maybe comma is 100, then 200 is.
Kama Zole.
Well done. 300.
Kama Tatu.
Kama Tatu. 400.
Kama Ya.
Yes, 500.
Kama Tanu.
Kama Tanu, yes.
Kama Sambanu.
Yeah.
Kama Sambwadia.
Yes, Kama Nana.
Kama, say that again?
Kama Nana, yeah. 800, yes.
Kama Voix.
Well done.
And Kama Kumi.
Oh, Funda, your father.
No, Funda. Yeah. Funda.
Funda. Okay, thank you very much for the time again. Let us go. We need to move. Okay. Not only if you can read just this page, we need to say thank you. Utokozi Makembi. Utokozi means ingratitude is bad. Always we are about Congo, this is a tradition. We always say thank you to Tondele. Tatane, please.
Yeah, Congo language course. Malongi Makikongo Kizumbu by Professor Hazel Carter and Reverend Jean Makondekwa. Jean.
Just read the last one, please. The African Studies.
Okay, African Studies, Department of African Languages and Literature, University of Wisconsin-Madison, USA, May 1987.
Thank you very much, Tata. Yes, we thank Tata, the right Reverend Tata Jean Makondeka and Professor Hazelcott as well. Yes, Kikongo is a discourse. Tata Mabiala, if you read this, is this for you? Please, can you read first, please?
The course is designed to teach you to speak rather than to know about Kikongo. These are special teaching drills, not testing drills as in some language laboratory courses.
Yes, yeah, you are learning, you're going to speak. Up to you. We have all the material, everything is there available to all of us. Okay. Kikava, double letters is just, we don't write Kikongo like this. This is a phonetic spelling. Yeah. This is just for your tone. We don't write the WA, vowel, long vowel, call it long vowel. Because this is how it sounds, but you don't write like this. But if you miss the long vowel, you can say different things. I mean, you may think that you may change the meaning. This is what I want to say. Yeah. Are you with me? Yeah.
Yeah.
When we say Salah means to work. Salah. But we write the same way. Another Salah is long vowel. Salah. Say behind and work. The same word, S-A-L-A. So your tone, the way you pronounce gives the meaning to the word. Yes, that name what again, try to read, please.
Okay. Kikavanganga.
Again, please.
Okay. Kikavanganga.
Well done.
Do I continue?
Yes, your question, the other green line, the second green line, please.
Mudiakene.
Yes, thank you very much. Then Tata Mabiala, you're going to give the answer, reply. Hello,
Mudiakena.
Well done. The English there, the translation. Kikavanganga. Listen, my tone is not perfect, but this is the best you can get from me. Don't try to copy me. That's why I keep saying. I mean, whenever we have time, we have at 7 o'clock London time, we have a Kikongo talk show. Tata, where were we? Kikavanganga Mudiakena. Tata Mabiala, you answer, please. You did. Hello, Mudiakena. First person, Kikavanganga.
Kikavanganga.
Hello, Mudiakena.
Sorry. First and second line, the question.
Yeah.
Can you try it, please? Kikavanganga. Mudiakene. You ask the question.
Okay. Kikavanganga. Mudiakene.
Well done.
Hello, Mudiakena.
Well done. Name what you are going to answer. Tata Mabiala ask the question. The 2 lines, please.
Okay. Kikavanganga. Mudiakene.
Hello, Mudiakena.
Mudiakena, yes. Then I'm going to tell you a test for you. This is third person. Now, this third, the singular. Now, first plural. I'm going to tell you.
First plural.
Yes.
Okay, so. Okay.
Just do. Just do it. You know your rules. I mean, the standard. That's I know what you think. Just go ahead. Don't stop.
Okay. Nkiluvanganga. Mudia.
No, you talk about
Mudia
yourself.
Kene.
You talk about yourself. You are many. You talk about yourself. I mean, first plural. Talking about yourself. You are many.
Oh, we are many.
Yeah, crowd. Yes.
Okay.
Well
Nkituvanganga.
done. That's all I did.
Mujatune.
Well done. We get two ne. That's all I did. You get that?
No.
Maybe
No, I
Okay, let me
I got it, but I thought it was it's not Lou, but it's two.
No. You're right. I mean, you know what to. I mean, the question is, I'm talking about myself. We are talking about ourselves.
We, as in
Crowd.
we, as in we.
Yeah. The crowd. Yeah.
Okay, so that would be second person plural, right? No, first person plural. You're right.
Correct. Yes.
First person. Okay. Not second person. Got it.
Yeah. Let me just say for Patrick Biala, first plural is tu, two. Second plural is lu, lu.
Okay.
First plural is, can be ba, ba, or be, be. Even the second plural can be either nu or lu, lu. So, okay. That then what I do again?
First
Talking about
person plural.
yourself, then the person going to give you the answer is going to say, talk about themselves as well. Are you with me?
So I have to answer my own question.
No. Ask the question, and that Mabia is going to answer.
Okay.
The two lines first. The second two
Okay. Nkituvanganga. Mujatune.
Well done.
Elo. Mujatuna.
You talk about them. Sorry,
Okay.
I misled you. So you talk about. I don't mean. I mean. You talk about the you second plural.
Okay.
Then what tell you were we. Now you are going to answer saying you people, you many.
So I say
many.
you.
You many, yes. In Kikongo, yes.
How will I say that?
Give you a clue. The second plural is lu.
So
lu. Then the thing we're going to change here is vanish. You need to get rid of the K-A-K-E.
K-E. So
Get
Luna.
rid of K-E or K-E.
So Luna.
Yeah, correct, yes.
Okay.
That's all, are you okay, yeah? Yeah, that name what I do, you ask the question, please, on behalf of your crowd, your colleagues.
Nkituvanganga. Mujatune.
Yes.
Elo Mujaluna.
Well done, yes. That's only if you can answer the same question, then I tell you give you the answer. Give the answer.
Okay. Nkituvanganga. Oh, keep going.
The second line, both lines, the second, first and second line.
Mujatune.
Well done.
Elo Mudialuna.
Yes, understood. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, we're moving to the next slide. We're going slowly but surely. There's no point of running. See. Yes. The most important thing here is to master the language. Better to know a little bit and you understand it, you master it, that's fine, than having many things in your brain and nothing to you master. Nothing, I mean, if you're not able to speak at least a sentence by yourself or to write, there's no point going you can have a book. So I'm repeating myself. You can have a book like this about Kikongo, but just know one word. You can only speak one sentence. There's no point. It's not point, yes? Yeah, that's why we make sure that we're going gently, slowly, surely. How do you say it in English?
Slowly but
Slowly but surely.
Yeah. Malembe bitu kwendila. In Kikongo we say it like this. Malembe bitu kwendila. Kwenda means to go. Malembe slowly. Going slowly. Malembe bitu kwendila. Yes. Kikavanganga. Mulamba kene. Okay, that nengo tadiwa. We're talking about them. You asking about them.
Okay.
Then the answer will be them as well. Okay?
Yeah.
Then just try to help first plural, two, second plural, lu or nu. Let's use you, lu. First plural, two, second, lu. Third plural, ba or be.
For them. Okay.
Understood?
So,
Yes? Can we go that name with that one? Please.
Okay. Ki bavanganga.
Yes.
Bene.
Well done. Was it a answer?
Hello, Mulamba Bena.
Well done, yes. Go ahead, Tatale. You can do it. Hello. Just stick with what you know. The principle, the grammar. Just go ahead. Just do it. I'm just trying to say that you need just remember your two, lu, ba. When I say ba, I mean be, o, b. Be, sorry, in English. I'm not talking English. Kikongo be, e. That Mabiala, question. You ask question, then what time you are going to give the answer, please?
Nkibavanganga mulamba keni.
You're talking about you still talking this two lines the same question, talking about them. What are
mulamba
they doing?
beni. Mulamba beni.
Mulamba bene. Make sure you know the tone. Mulamba bene. Very important. You're asking a question. You are yes.
Okay. Kibavanganga mulamba beni.
Mulamba bene.
Mulamba bene.
Yeah, this is Kikongo. This is not Cockney, right? This is Kikongo. Mulamba bene. Go ahead, Nengotada, please.
Hello, Mulamba Bena.
Yes, correct. Teta, ask the same question, please. Them, about them.
Okay. Nkibavanganga mulamba bene.
Elo mulamba bena.
Tutonde. Well done. Any questions?
No.
No, good. Well done. Okay. Mabiala. Same thing. First plural, please. Then Nengotada, we're going to answer.
Nkituvanganga musala tune.
Well done.
Okay.
Hello, Musala Tuna.
You're talking about them, Nengotada.
Okay. Hello, Musala Bena.
Yes, Tutonde. Move to the next one. About them, the first and second line, same question. Then Nengotada, give the answer, please.
Nkibavanganga mutanga bene.
Yes.
Elo mutanga bena.
Yes, correct. Well done. Tanga, read. Then what did you first plural, then Tata Mabela gives the answer. Second plural, of course, yes. Please.
Okay. Ki tuvanganga mudila tune.
Elo mudina luna.
Well done, Mudila Luna. Yes. Tata, same question, please. Name what I give the answer, please.
Nkitu vanganga mudila tune.
Elo mudila luna.
Yes, well done. Don't cry, don't cry. Dila means cry. To cry, yes? Dila, to cry. Them, we're talking about them. Then Tata Mabiala, you are two lines, first two lines, I mean, same question. Anyway, them, I'm going to tell you, we're going to reply, so please.
Nkibe vanganga mulongo kake bene.
Well done, mulongo bene, yes.
Mulongo ka bene.
Elo mulongo ka bena.
Yes, mulongo ka bene. Tata, about you, I mean about your crowd, we. Then I'm going to tell you an answer about you. A second, yes.
Okay. Nkitu vanganga mulongo
katune.
Mulongo katune.
Mulongo katune.
Mulongo katune.
Yes. Well done.
Elo mulongo ka luna.
Yes, well done, yes. Tata Mabiala, them. Talking about them, asking about them. Then what do I give the answer, please?
Nkibe vanganga mulundumuka bene.
Mulundumuka. Can you try again, please?
Mulundumuka bene.
Well done. Mulundumuka bene. Lundumuka means run.
Elo mulunduka bena.
Lundumuka. Can you try it again?
Mulundumuka bena.
Yeah, this is how you write Kikongo, not me. This is according to the linguists. We write like this. Basically, here we have it 3 words, yes? 3 words in one. We have a mu, M-U, yes? Then I have a lu. Yes. The verb is just lundumuka. No, correct. 2 words. Lundumuka ben, yeah. Lundumuka ben. My computer is freezing. Totale them.
Nkiba vanganga muvutuka bene.
Elo muvutuka bena.
Muvutuka bena. Well done. Nengotadiwa. Your crowd, we, then Tata Alain, you're going to answer. You say, I'm not going to, you decide what you know what should be the answer, Tata, don't you? Tata? Yeah. Nengotadiwa, please.
Kitu vanganga muvunda tune.
Elo muvunda luna.
Well done. Then what I do again, we're going back long vowel. Kitu vanganga. Muvunda tune. Then what I do, please?
Okay. Kitu vanganga muvunda tune.
Elo muvunda luna.
Oh, well done. Any question? I think by now well done, Tetambia, you're doing well. You understand? Let's call it pronoun, but the word it's used as I said in the past is not really as a pronoun, but let's call it pronoun. Pronoun. T, tu, lu, ba, the first, second, third plural. I'm sure you know your Kikongo, but at least this bit of Kikongo, yes?
Yes.
Yeah, slowly but surely.
Yeah, you know your Kikongo. I mean, at least this corner of Kikongo. Kikavanganga. Then go tell you we again. Then Tata Mabia is going to reply.
Okay. Kituvanganga muatune.
Elo muwaluna.
Very much. Thank you very much. Wow, you're doing well. Wow. That's why no wonder Professor Hazel Carter said that this is to teach you to speak. Did you see that? The course is designed to teach you to speak, not to know about Kikongo. Okay, let's try to change the game. Then what I do, you asking Tata Mabiala, you many, what are you doing? Then Tata Mabiala going to reply on behalf of the crowd, yeah?
Obviously. Okay.
Please.
Kiluvanganga muvivila lune.
Well done.
Elo muvivila bena.
That's the question. Tata Mabia, you're going to answer on behalf of your crowd. Just remember the question, Tata.
First person, please.
Okay. So I say Elo muvivila tuna.
Yes. Can you do that, please?
Okay. Kiluvanganga muvivila lune.
Listen to me, please. I know it's hard. Kiluvanganga. Take your time because that's what I said that I want to say it now because remember I talk in background that language, yes? Remember before we came live, I won't mention it now. We're talking about the one language, African language.
Yeah.
The tone is not like this. Kikongo, this is Kikongo. Kikongo is very soft.
Okay.
Remember the language we were talking about? Don't say it, yes? Remember?
Yes, okay.
That language is rough, you know? It's not.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. That language is soft. Kiluvanganga.
Okay.
If you miss your tone, you miss the meaning.
Yeah.
Never tell you again, please. Kiluvanganga, yes?
Kiluvanganga muvivila lune.
Yes.
Elo muvivila be mtuna.
Yes, correct. Elo muvivila tuna. Okay, that was the last slide. Well done. No, by next week, first, second, third plural, we are fine. Are we okay? Yes? Can I assume that we are? Yes, we can.
Yes.
We can lundumuka. What does it mean? Lundumuka. We can lundumuka next time.
Run.
Yeah, lundumuka, run, yeah. Sprint, yes. Someone say hello, let's just greet Tata Pepito.
Hey.
Yeah, our friends from Toronto is, I think, yeah.
Yes.
You say hello. Tata Mabiala, can you try to read? Yes.
Jambo ti tata Panzu, tata Ale, tata Mabiala, inengwa tadiwa. Ngina landa malongi makikongo.
Can you try to translate Ngina landa malongi makikongo? So I know it's hard for you.
For following the Kikongo lesson.
I am following.
Yeah, I am following.
Ngina.
Ngina.
Ngina, yes. That's what I keep saying. Pronoun in this case, remember, Ngina here is I, see?
Yeah, I am.
Ngina Mukwenda, I mean I, but I is mono. The other context.
Is it I or is it I am?
Ngina land. Yes, I am. Yes, Ngina land. Yeah. Ngina, I'm following. Yes.
Yeah, right. Because it's the verb to be.
Yeah, I'm following because of landa. I don't want to open another.
Yeah. No, I understand.
Because of landa. Because if you say, okay, I can't remember now. Because of landa, hence you assume it's correct that I am. Yes, but not always. Not always. Ngina can mean something different. Tata Sugisa, thank you very much. Hello. This is French. You said that if you could translate into French. Sorry, you can't do that. On peut pas traduire en français parce que on est en train d'apprendre le Kikongo pour les anglophones. On a le cours de Kikongo pour les francophones le samedi à 16h, heure suisse. Yes, very good. You done well. Thank you for the time. We need to learn our own language. See, I'm speaking French, Portuguese, English, but all about my own language. See, African. This is not good, no. We speak their languages. We speak some of African they can speak 7. I know people can speak 7 languages. But what about your mother tongue?
Yeah.
They learn Chinese, but I can't speak their own mother tongue. Remember, there was one guy on TV. I mean, one gentleman on TV. Historian, a good academic, was talking about Egypt, something like this, where all the history about people, King X, King France. Then his dad asked him, "What about? Do you know about your uncle? Your uncle, you know their names. Your granny, your." You see what I'm saying? Don't jump big. You need to be grounded before you jump, you know. You don't really. Okay. I'm going to say when the Cambote, when I say when the Cambote, what do you tell me? What do you say to me?
Cambote Sala.
Well done, I'm Sala Cambote, but because I'm Mbuta Muntu. You know what Mbuta Muntu means?
Mbuta Muntu.
Mbuta Muntu. I'm
older
than you. I'm older than you.
Okay.
Because of Kikongo, our language like this, respect, you say L-U. You say as a plural, in plural.
Sala Cambote Mbuta Muntu.
Yes, thank you. When you say about Mbuta Muntu or a crowd, you use L-U. Loose Algamon. Yes, that's not good, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Kikongo. Any questions? No? I'm proud of you. You're doing well. Remember, 2, Tata, I'm sure next time you're not going. You don't want to do Tata, you know? Just do it. You know, just do it. I mean, we want to make mistakes, but this is life, no? Unless you dare to do something, you will never do it, you know? Yes. If you can, please, 7 p.m. London time, we have Congo talk show. Tutondele. Luenda Kiambote.
Lusala
Kiambote.
Tutondele.
Kietu yangani kawa uko iwao bongole meso mwene isibuli matu umwidi ikonzo dienu Keno luvo vangabo Kongo diafwa Keno luvo vangabo Kongo diafwa